In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set WinRAR as the default app for archive files on Windows. If you've ever double-clicked a .rar or .zip file and it didn't open in WinRAR, that just means Windows is using a different default app. We'll fix that in a few quick steps, and I'll explain what each part does so you know exactly what's happening. Start by going to the Windows search bar. You'll find it on your taskbar, usually at the bottom of your screen. Click into it and type Default Apps. When you see the default app system setting appear, go ahead and open it. This is the central place where Windows lets you choose which program opens which kind of file. Inside Default Apps, you'll see a search box labeled something like Set Defaults for Applications. Type WinRAR into that box. If WinRAR is installed on your computer, it will show up as an app result. Click on WinRAR to open its file association page. If you don't see it, make sure WinRAR is installed first, then come back here. On the WinRAR page, you'll see a list of file types that can be associated with it. These are extensions such as .rar, .zip, .7z, .tar, and others. Each one tells Windows which program to use when you open that type of file. To set WinRAR as the default, click each file type you want WinRAR to handle, then choose WinRAR Archiver from the list of options. If it already says WinRAR, you're good for that one. If you mostly use .rar files, you can just set .rar. If you want WinRAR to open everything, set it for .zip, .7z, .tar, .gz, and any other archive formats you use. Take a moment to confirm the changes. After you select WinRAR, Windows may briefly show a confirmation or switch the label right away. Repeat this for the file types you care about. There isn't a single Apply button here. Changes save as you go. When you're done, close Settings. To test it, double-click an archive on your desktop or in File Explorer. It should now open directly in WinRAR. If something still opens in another app, return to Default Apps and check that file type again. That's it. You've set WinRAR as the default for your chosen archive formats, which means smoother, more consistent opens and fewer prompts. If you ever change your mind, you can come back to the same screen and switch any file type to another app or back to the Windows default.